Erie County, Ottawa County, San...
Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Erie, Ottawa, and Sandusky. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for Western Erie County, Eastern Ottawa County, Northeastern Sandusky County until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located north of Port Clinton and moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Port Clinton, Sandusky, Castalia, Marblehead, Bayview, Sandusky South and Fairview Lanes.